Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to get WhatsApp for iPad. WhatsApp does not offer an official iPad app. However, you can still use WhatsApp on your iPad by accessing it through a web browser using WhatsApp Web. So, first thing first, all you have to do is go to the Safari app on your iPad and open the online version of WhatsApp. You will be automatically redirected to the WhatsApp homepage and click on the action button at the top right of the browser or rectangle with an arrow pointing up. The action menu appears. Drag the bottom row to the left and select desktop version of this site. Now the desktop version will load and you will see the page with the QR code appear. This is the barcode that creates the connection between your iPhone and the browser page you opened. To scan this code, go to the WhatsApp application settings on your iPhone and click on the link devices and open the application and wait until a QR code appears. Then scan the QR code displayed on the iPad with the iPhone to pair the two devices. WhatsApp for iPad will automatically load and display all your messages. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.